Now let's add so that it's possible to die when we lost 3 lives. There should be game over, and we can show, for example, a high score list, so you can enter your name. So let's go to the controller object, and in every step we're gonna check the number of lives, and we're gonna test lives. If it's equal to 0, we have lost 3 lives. We should do this, add some blocks. So we should first of all show the high score list. So let's see where we can find this. High score, there we go. Show high score, and we can change the colors of the fonts, or just let them be the standard values. Show the high score, and then maybe we want to restart the game. So let's go to room, the start room. That will be from the beginning, and then we will start on level 1. So let's try this and see if it works. So now I will lose 3 lives and see if we will see the high score table, and if the game restarts. So now I lose 3rd life, and here's the high score table. Player 1, sorry, and enter. And now we restart the game. Okay, very good. So it seems to work. Now, one thing, if I play the game again, it's see. Sometimes, let's see, when we bounce here, you see, when it bounces, the ball bounces against the pad, it will only bounce with the same angle it enters. It's going out with the same angle. So it's not really possible to decide where the ball is going next. We just have to make sure that we're not gonna die. So it's not like we can aim for this brick or this brick. So it's going to be more fun if we can actually control the ball a little bit more. So for example, if I hit the ball in the middle of the bat, it should bounce pretty much straight up. But if I hit the ball a little bit to the right of the center, it should go more like this. And if the ball hits to the left of the pad, the ball should go more like this. So let's try and add this. So basically what we need to add is, when the ball is colliding with the bat, we should not bounce like this. We should delete this. We should add this one. This one is fixed, which means that if you look here, we can only go 45 degrees up here, or straight to the right, or straight up, or to the left, or like 45 degrees in this angle. So it's fixed angles. So we're not going to use this one. We want to move choosing the direction. So I'm not going to explain this a lot, I'm just going to tell you what to write here to get the desired effect. So let's write this 90 plus 60 times parenthesis, and then sign the math function, 2 parentheses, and then object bat large, which is the name of our bat, dot x, and then minus x, and then parenthesis divided by 36, and then 2 parentheses. And here in this field we're going to write speed because we want the same speed. This is just telling the direction depending on where the ball hits on the bat. So let's see if this makes any difference. Now I'm going to try go to the second level. See, it bounced differently. So I'm going to have it bounce on the right part in the middle. It's going pretty much straight up. If I let it bounce in the middle, if it bounces on the left side, it's gonna go to the left. If I let it bounce on the right side, it's going to the right. So in this way, if I want to hit this ball, it's possible to, it's a little difficult, but still I can control the ball where I want it to go next. So if we add this little function, we can control the ball much better.